let's go and move forward to video sync and talk about how you're synchronizing your own depositions and the process for that. So before you did that on your own in the tool, what did that look like in terms of going back and forth with a vendor? What
Yeah.
did it cost? And what does it look like today?
Uh, it was really hard to do before you created that tool because just the process of syncing the deposition to the video was always a nightmare. It was always be a little bit wrong. You wouldn't get it on time, and it would be so hard to do that you'd end up just abandoning that part of the project. But now it's so easy. And especially because there's so many depositions that are done on Zoom, you can just hit the record button, download that video, and then once you get your transcript back, you put them both in the iPad, hit the sync button, and boom, it's done. And now all I have to do is go through the transcript, select out what I want, and then look at the video. And maybe I have to fine tune the beginning and the end. But frankly, I found I don't even really have to. It's so accurate that that isn't a real common problem at all anymore.
That's very powerful. Yeah, I always tell our customers, if you're just using TrialPad, you're missing the point. The platform and the ROI really comes from TranscriptPad and that ability because I think court reporters typically charge between $90 and $150 per video hour for that service.
Yeah,
And going back and forth to make changes takes a lot of time.
it
Um,
does.
yeah, can you share a time when sending defense counsel a video clip like sort of shifted the leverage in the settlement negotiations?
I can. What one thing that I do, there was a book called Depositions Are Trial. And that really inspired me to start thinking about when you have these videos and you're going to do something, what are you going to do with it? Because the truth is, we don't get to trial as often as we used to. So how can we use these tools in other ways? So a lot of times now what I will do is I'll take these video clips and incorporate them into sort of a mediation video that I'll send to the insurance carrier before we mediate a case. And I have a clip from one that I can show you.
Yeah, go ahead. That'd be great.
So that case that I was talking about before, where this is the gentleman who claimed he was sitting on his boat watching my client walk off the dock. And so this is just a very short clip from his deposition that became part of this overall presentation. I'll just play this for you.
Correct. You tried to defraud your insurance company
Yes.
and you got caught.
Yeah.
So very simple clip, but it's the beauty of Zoom depositions and the ability to take that video and use it later. People don't take the depositions seriously when they do them on Zoom. This guy's literally standing on his boat on a beautiful sunny day. And just prior to this clip, he had a cigarette hanging out of his mouth as he was talking to me. And as you can see, he just continually shoots himself in the foot throughout the video. And so able to take that and show it to the insurance carrier of this is the guy you're going to put on the stand to try and justify your liability defense. The case settled for policy limits pretty quickly at that point.